What if you could type anything into a prompt and have it generated as a high quality 3D model? Or if you have a pre-existing 3D asset, you could drop it into an AI, describe a change that you want to see, and watch it update before your eyes. Well, that is what Rodin does. A state-of-the-art 3D model generator fueled by AI. See, AI models have been around for some time now, but I believe 3D creation is just now entering its editing era, which I believe is the reason it's here to stay.
That's awesome!
This is the nano banana moment for 3D. It's no longer just about generating new models, but it's about editing and refining existing assets. Okay, so let's say I need to generate a 3D model of a car. I'll type in a good prompt here and hit generate. Boom, our model is complete. However, I'm noticing that I want to change the front of the car to look more sports-like. So I'm going to select modify, describe the change here, and once that's done, I'll click generate, and bam, we're ready to go. Now, you may be noticing there is no texture on the model yet. This is because Rodin makes sure that you are satisfied with the geometry before proceeding to create a texture. So I'll click here to see it with the texture on. And it's that simple. With only a few seconds of creativity, we have a high quality 3D model ready to go. Okay, now here I have a 3D model of a house that I found for free online. I personally love it, but I think that there's something missing. There's no chimney, so I'm gonna drag this model into Rodin. Once it's there, I'll select the portion of the model I'd like to edit. Now I'm gonna type in the change I want to see, aka adding a chimney to the roof, and boom, I now have the exact model I want to use. So, from my perspective, Rodin is an awesome tool. And for all the artists scared of AI taking over, just remember, someone still has to take these models and place them into a realistic scene and environment. Rodin isn't trying to hinder 3D artists from making a living. Instead, they're trying to help us to do so more efficiently. So guys, check out Rodin with my link below. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Peace.